If your child loves Minecraft, I've got great news. We've taken this favorite game and turned it into a place where English isn't a lesson anymore. It's an exciting adventure. First, your child chooses what they're interested in. We prepare a trial lesson inside that exact world, so they immediately enter a familiar environment. The lesson is taught one-on-one. Your child talks, thinks, and learns with the support of a professional teacher. After the trial class, they can continue a full course in the Minecraft world. Students craft, build, solve puzzles, complete missions, talk to characters, and they do all of it in English. Here, English works as a tool to negotiate, ask for help, explain an idea, or solve a task. And the best part, your child learns without even noticing it. In the game, kids search for resources and learn how to ask for what they need. They grow plants on the farm and remember the names of different foods. They help characters find lost items and learn how to ask for and offer help. They create their own inventory and describe their favorite things. They explore Minecraft villages and towns and easily talk about where things are. And then they use this knowledge in real life, at school, at home, and while traveling. Lessons fit easily into any schedule. You choose the time that works best for your family. You can adjust the timetable anytime without stress. Sign up for a free trial lesson. I'll show your child how Minecraft helps them learn English easily and with joy. See you in class. And don't forget to bring a sword, a pickaxe, and a little bit of English in your inventory.